Today we are going to see how to restore a droplet from your backed up snapshot. Snapshots are nothing but complete backup of your droplet. In DigitalOcean, uh, there are different ways of taking a backup. So make sure that you are doing your backups regularly. So assume in first scenario, assume that your droplet is intact and there is no issues with the droplet as such, but for some reason your data has been hacked or deleted and you want to restore that data. In that case, click on the droplet. On left hand side you can see one option called destroy. Click on that. Now just below destroy droplet there is something called rebuild a droplet. Select the snapshot name and which you need to restore from. One thing you need to note is there are many different images available here which are not created by us, so it is always better to create your snapshot with your domain name so that you can easily identify it. So yeah, so say for example in my example Docness is my domain, and when I type Docness I can see only those Docness snapshots available. Now select which snapshot you need to backup. Click on that and then click rebuild. It would take few minutes depending on the size of your snapshot. And one more thing you need to make sure is you are on the right droplet so that this snapshot will be rebuilt for this droplet. Once you rebuild this, click on rebuild, it will automatically rebuild and all the content will be stored from this snapshot which you have selected. And it is pretty straightforward, and you will be able to use your site with all the data. Another option is actually another scenario is, for example, if you completely lost your droplet, then what we'll do is you have to come on left hand side. You can see something called image. Click on images and then click on snapshot. You will see the snapshots available here. Click on more on which snapshot you want to restore from. You can create, there will be an option to create here, create droplet. So click on create droplet and then you have to give all the options from which marketplace, what if it is a lamp stack with PHP admin, select that and then select the region and all the other configurations. Create a droplet as we are creating a new droplet. Once you create the new droplet, we can follow the information which we have mentioned in this video earlier. That is another option. Another option which is available here is restore droplet. If your droplet is not having too much of issues, only data is lost, then you can even try restore droplet. But as of now, when I click on restore droplet, I am getting an error saying that your droplet is inactive. So if I get more information on that, I'll post another video. But as of now, these are the 2-3 different options to restore your data from snapshot.